So we will discuss the homework you gave, right?
Yeah, discuss the homework. Of course, we'll discuss. And before that, we have to go through some more points. I am also discussing why directly we will not discuss the worksheet now,
Yeah.
because we have some of the you know notes left to discuss, right?
Yes, sir.
So those notes we have to go through first. Afterwards, we can come. However, they tried. I can appreciate them. They who tried. Lamisa, she gave all together everything. And before that,
Sir,
Anmol.
what was the homework?
So I also did everything.
Yeah, you gave.
I have
Then
submitted it. Have you got it yet?
What was the
when
homework?
did you submit, Monira? Yeah, Adrita, when did you
So
submit?
I have to check. I submitted it within a week after you gave the work.
Okay, that one, the MCQ one.
Yes.
MCQ one or the practical one? Practical one I got your one, but the MCQ one I
The
can't
MCQ one.
remember. I can't remember your one. Anyway, I'll check.
Sir,
No problem.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
check. No problem.
sir,
Don't worry. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Tell me,
sir, I
please.
also submitted the practical. Did you got my one?
Yes, yes, I got. You gave together. You gave
Yes,
together,
sir.
right? Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
And
Sir, I didn't give the
that
MCQ
one
one. I
I
just gave the practical.
yeah, that one I want to go little bit the work you gave. That
Sir,
one
what was the homework?
like okay, I'm showing you. Wait, just a bit. Just a
Okay,
bit.
sir.
Wait. Here we have the homework submission from students. Here Basha Faz one. Look, Mera Afroz Mithila's one, and Mithila gave, then Lamisa gave. Look, Mithila, then Basha. I prefer this, and I also found that Adrita also sent me this way. I prefer this
Sir,
way.
I
That
sent you
yeah,
practical.
PDF
So,
in
so that's
PDF
cam
format.
scanner.
Yeah, in
Yeah.
PDF format. When you are scanning with camera scanner, then you will find that there is option to make PDF also, huh? And you can make
Yes.
in batch or you can make in separate pages. So you choose the batch one. Batch one means you will get all together everything, huh? All the pages
Like a
together.
PDF.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that one will give us comfort to check out, huh? And to preserve. I preserve your work in Google Drive, and if you make PDF it will take less space. If you give image it takes lots of uh, space.
And
So
sometimes it is blurry, sir.
not only blurry, and if it is separate then I have to open each of the files separately, and I have to take during preserving separately download, then preserving. So it's not giving us comfort. This type of PDF file is better for us, okay, to receive and to preserve and to check everything. So do it, huh, everyone. When you are
Yes, sir.
submitting your work, do it PDF and in one file, single file, not so many. Thank you so much. And now uh, the homework, Taki was asking the homework. Look, Taki, and anyone you don't understand how the homework is given, here is also I mentioned in the group hmm, before his vacation. Here you see, in class also I told you, uh, Even if you are going through the recording, it's mentioned that you have some homework on this worksheet. This worksheet on July 28th, the last class. This homework I gave, this worksheet I uploaded and told you to try only, try only as much as possible which one is covered by our discussion. Okay, that much, not beyond your knowledge. Okay, here we have some questions beyond your knowledge. Those we don't need. Like question number 3 is beyond your knowledge. We don't need this one now. Then question 7. Today we will do this. Today we will discuss these ideas. Question 9, you know, you can answer 9. This way,
Our questions 7, 8 is the same, right?
Not same. It's quite similar, but not. We cannot say
Together.
exactly same. Yeah, they are. They are, related to the ideas we are going to discuss today, inshallah. Just be with us. Okay, clear, students.
Yes,
The
sir.
homework clear. Taki, are you clear about the homework?
Yes, sir.
Here, this one was the homework, and I gave this one. You see, assignment. The first comment I gave: assignment. Try MCQ part only as much as possible from the worksheet attached. Clear this one? So they
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
who did not try it, you can try now. Now means when after the class, all the class is over. If you manage some time, if you can manage some time, then you try. Okay. Is it clear? Then you submit today or tomorrow in your ease. Okay. If you
Sir, what
try
did
that.
you say? There was some internet problem. I couldn't understand.
Okay. There is some problem, right? Network problem.
Yes, no problem.
Now, what about others? Are you listening to me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, there is raining, right? Outside.
Yes, sir.
So, little bit
Yes,
rain.
sir.
Maybe
Yes, sir.
for that reason, there might be some network problem. We are trying to do as much as possible. Okay. So, we are done till here, right? Uh, how to get resultant using the parallelogram method.
Yes, sir.
And now
Yes, sir.
we are doing this one, measuring lengths, and we can. Yes,
Sir.
what I said, network problem. I was disconnected for a while because of the rain. Here we have raining in our area. Okay, look, A, B, C. These 3 learning outcomes are completely done, and now we are going to do D. Adrita, can you read this? The learning
Sir, I
outcome.
cannot see anything.
Sir, I cannot see anything.
Okay.
It just
I
says that
can
you
see
started
anything.
sharing.
Yeah,
So
now
I
we can see.
see.
Now
Again, it went out.
Yeah, yeah.
again
Now,
চলে গেছে, sir.
now it came.
No,
Not
sir.
yet. Not yet.
No, sir.
Is it there?
Not
sir.
yet.
Still not.
No.
Yes.
Now
We can
I
see
can
now.
see it.
Okay,
Sir,
now you
now
can
I
see.
can see.
Yeah, please read D. Learning outcome D.
Describe how to measure a variety of lengths with appropriate accuracy using tapes, rulers, micrometers, and calipers. The use
Okay,
of a
so
vernier scale is not required.
yes, thank you so much. This one we'll try to cover today as much as possible. Here we have rules. You see, it's written rules. Rules means ruler, scale. and you know tapes, that means measuring tapes, and we have micrometers, calipers. So these four instruments, they are used to measure the lengths, variety of lengths.
Sir,
That means different instruments are used to measure different lengths. I appreciate you all if you have the ruler with you. If you
Sorry, it's mechanic.
Yes, I'm sorry that the network is fluctuating.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So look, we have here four instruments mentioned. One is measuring tapes, another one is scale, then we have micrometers, then calipers. Calipers also known as vernier calipers. Do you have one ruler beside you?
yes, sir.
Small scale beside you, so that will help us to discuss today's.
Sir, the screen is appearing black, you know?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay, if you can't manage now, no problem. If it is close to you, like if you are sitting anywhere that your ruler is very close to you, you can have it in your hand.
But give me this other.
Mm,
What's
আজকের ক্লাসের কি প্রবলেম? সকাল থেকে প্রপারলি কোনো ক্লাসই হচ্ছে না।
okay,
yeah?
look, students, actually we are the
I can see the screen share.
we are the
Yes, sir. Me too.
now you can see the sharing.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Okay,
have
just wait,
resent the
because of
homework.
the
Will you please
network,
check?
it's taking time to come. Okay, just wait. Please bear patience, all of you. Hello. Because
Yes,
of
sir.
the,
Yes, sir.
our weather now, and there might be some cyclone created in the coastal area, smaller one. That's why there is
Sir.
some network problem going on. So you have to bear patience, all of
Seriously?
us.
Sir,
Yeah,
will you please
little.
check your
It's
email
not only in
because
our
I've resent the work.
yeah in our not only in our country, also in India, in the West Bengal area, there is also rain going on. Okay, so look, I told you to have one ruler, small ruler. It can be 15 centimeter or it can be 30 centimeter, whatever you
Sir,
can
my one is
manage.
30 centimeters.
No problem. Look, in your ruler, there is centimeter scale available, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
If you go through the ruler, you will see that centimeter scale is available there, and each of the centimeter has 10 lines, right?
Yes.
In between, like two scaling, like 0 centimeter to 1 centimeter, then 1 to 2 centimeter, there are lines available, and those lines divided each of the centimeter into 10 equal parts, right?
Yes.
Each of the part is 1 millimeter, right?
Right.
So each of the 1 millimeter, we can say 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. Each of the
Sir, I
smallest
didn't
division.
understand.
Each of the smallest division is 1 millimeter, right? This one you understand.
Yes.
So 1 millimeter, that means 10 millimeter equals
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Then 1 millimeter is 0.1 centimeter.
Yeah.
That one only we are saying. So 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter accurately we can measure with this ruler, the ruler you have with you, isn't it?
Yes.
And if you want to measure more smaller unit, like if you want to measure 0.1 millimeter, you cannot do it accurately with your ruler. It's not possible to do accurately. You can just guess or you can take approximately, but accurately you cannot with your ruler. Do you understand what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes.
I'm saying
Sir,
that
I'm little
less
bit
than,
confused.
yeah, less than 1
Sir, you have
millimeter.
to.
Less than 1 millimeter you cannot measure with your ruler accurately. Now you understand, Basha Fahad? Till 1 millimeter, like you are taking anything, you have to measure the length of that. Like you have the eraser, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, you want to measure the length of your eraser. So that length you can measure with the ruler till 1 millimeter accurately. But if you want to measure less than 1 millimeter, that one you cannot do with your ruler. Is it clear now? Hello? Hello, Basha? Yeah. If you
Yeah,
are
yes,
not,
sir.
yeah, if you are not clear, then you can ask me, no problem. I can answer you.
I'm
Now,
not there.
now here you see your ruler have
Sir,
30
Anmol said
centimeters.
not clear.
Who said?
Anmol said not clear, sir. You want? Yeah.
So, Anmol,
Yes, sir.
like your eraser, for example, it is 4.2 centimeter or
Hmm.
2.1 centimeter or 1.2 centimeter. You can measure it accurately with your ruler. But if it is smaller than that, I am writing here, no problem.
Like 0.1 millimeter.
This one, for example, is your eraser. Then with your ruler, you are measuring the length of it. And for example, it is 1.2 centimeter. Okay, 1.2 centimeter you can measure. But maybe there is some extra part available in your eraser. Okay, like 1.2 centimeter is coming till here, but you have some extra part here, right?
Yes, sir.
So that
Hmm.
part you cannot measure accurately with your ruler. You need more
Yes, sir.
better or more precise instrument
Accurate. Accurate.
which can measure accurately. Like maybe it will be like 1.23 centimeter, right? So this one is giving you one more digit, right? After
Yes,
point
sir.
or decimal. So this one is less than 1 millimeter, right? This 0 point, like
Yes, sir.
if you convert it, is coming like that 0.03 centimeter extra, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
if you convert to millimeter, how much it will give you? 0.3
0.03.
0.3.
millimeter in millimeter scale. So it is less than 1 millimeter, right?
Yeah.
And
Yes,
this
sir.
this 0.3 you cannot measure accurately with your ruler.
Scale. Or
Am
ruler.
I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So accuracy of our ruler or scale is still 1 millimeter. That's why we
Right.
wrote this line, 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, if you want to go another digit, after that, after one digit, another digit, then you have to use another instrument. That one is known as calipers. What is that? Vernier.
Caliper.
Vernier calipers.
Caliper.
We will discuss that one. Before going to that one, we are discussing another one, that is measuring tape. When we are using measuring tape, when we are using meter rule. Okay, student. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just 10 seconds, and Azan is going on.
Okay, sir.
স্যার নামাজ পড়ে আসি
No, 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 no. Okay, look. You have the ruler with you 30 centimeter, and some of you are using 15 centimeter. Other than that, in physics lab or in scientific work, we are using another ruler that is
That's
100.
meter rule, right?
Yeah, that is 100 centimeter long. You
Like that.
if you went through our physics lab, you might see that one, a long ruler, right? 1 meter long,
Yes.
and that one is 100 centimeter long, and that is called meter rule. So meter rule also can measure till 1 millimeter accurately, like your one,
All right.
like your scale or ruler. The meter rule can accurately measure till 1 millimeter length accurately, and it can also measure, its upper limit is 100 centimeter and the lower limit is 0.1 centimeter. So about meter rule you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, other than meter rule, we are using also measuring tape. When we are using measuring tape, if the length of the object is more than 100
Is
centimeter, like
then
in your house,
like 1 feet, 2 feet.
no, we are not going to feet
দিক দিয়ে
now.
ফিট চাপায়
Just listen. In your house, someone is asking you to measure the length of your house or breadth of your house. House means in your room, right? Your reading
Yes.
room. Okay.
Guys, October school করতেছে।
ভ্যাকসিন বের হোক আগে।
নাকি সেপ্টেম্বর?
ভাই
Vaccine তো
ওইটা
বের হয়েছে।
পরিস্থিতি অনুযায়ী ভাই, ওটা পরিস্থিতি অনুযায়ী।
আর মাত্র
Students,
7
we are
minutes
back.
আছে ক্লাসের।
We are back. Please, whatever the minutes we are getting, try to concentrate here. What I said, that someone told you to measure the area of the floor of your reading room. Yeah, reading room.
Right.
Then how you'll do it? You will measure the length and breadth. Then you'll multiply, right? So for measuring the length and breadth, that time you will use measuring tape, not the meter rule, because it's more than 1 meter, more than 100 centimeters.
100 centimeter.
স্যার কি বলবো?
না রায়ান আমি যে practical
করোনা ভাইরাস ছড়াইতেছে
Okay, so Lamisa, can you tell me please, when we are using the measuring tape?
When we are measuring something which is above 100 centimeter.
Excellent.
তালে
So excellent.
তালে
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
ওয়েলকাম স্যার
Now we are going to vernier calipers. You see here we have rulers, some rulers. We have measuring tape diagrams, and afterwards we have vernier calipers.
Oh
Uh,
yeah.
Yeah, can you read, Lamisa, what is written after vernier calipers? Yeah,
Vernier calipers are used to measure lengths till 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter accurately.
okay,
In
okay,
order to
okay.
read,
Hold on here. Okay, thank you. Look, here we have 0.1 millimeter. Everyone, please mind it. In your ruler, you have 1 millimeter, right?
Yes,
1
sir.
millimeter. So if you think that 1 millimeter is a very small division, right, or small space, isn't it? If you
Yes.
Yes.
divide this 1 millimeter into 10 equal parts, then how much smaller it will be? Very small, right?
Yes, sir.
And that smaller
Very,
length
very.
can we measure with this instrument, vernier calipers. You see the diagram of vernier calipers? Can you see, everyone, the
Yes, sir.
diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are seeing the diagram. We will next class we will discuss details, inshallah, how to measure the length using the vernier calipers. Okay,
Inshallah.
just
Okay,
you
sir.
remember that with vernier calipers we can measure till 0.1 millimeter or
Like
0.01
too
centimeter.
small.
Yeah,
Too small only.
0.01 centimeter. Thanks a lot for your patience, students. I appreciate your
Welcome, sir.
patience, and I will try to, uh, I will try to solve the problem with network if I have anything to do. If it is from weather or the nationwide problem, then we have nothing to do. We will
Yeah.
try to manage it. Okay, inshallah, from next class. Thank you so much. Huh? Allah Hafiz. Huh? You have another class now. Join in that class.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye, sir.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
God bless you all.
Sir.